To replace the power cord at the base of the handle, remove the rivets using a drill and a 3/16" drill bit. Use a tool to punch out the rivets all the way through. Gently pull off the base of the handle and shake out the debris from the handle. Disconnect the red and black wires coming from the base of the handle. Unscrew the strain relief to remove the cord from the base of the handle. Thread the replacement cord back into the base of the handle. Reconnect the wires. Connect the red wire to the purple wire and the black wire to the black wire. Wrap the wire connectors in electrical tape to help ensure they stay connected. Feed the wires back into the handle and the handle's base. Slide the base of the handle back on, tighten the strain relief, and replace the rivets. Remove the screws from the base of the machine using a T20 screwdriver. Lift the cover off the base of the machine and set it to the side. Cut the zip tie around the motor that's holding the wires in place. Disconnect the wires in the middle of the connectors. These run to the power supply. Also, disconnect the red and black wires coming from the motor. Remove the nut that holds the battery motor cord into place. Replace the cord with a new one. Unscrew the nut and feed it through the cover. Feed the cord through the nut and tighten. Reconnect the wires to the motor and the power supply. Black wire to the black wire, red wire to the red wire. Zip tie the wires back into place and cut off the excess. In the last step, slip the cover back onto the base of the machine and replace the screws.